Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 3 of my videos on practicing loop structure in C++. In this part, we will perform two tasks based on the practice of do-while loop. So let's first see how do-while loop works. Here is the syntax of do-while loop, the keyword do and then the body and then the condition. First of all, the body executes and then condition is checked. If the condition is true, once again the body will execute and this process continues until the condition is true. When the condition is false, the loop terminates. The benefit of do-while loop is that its body executes at least one time must. Task number 5 is to write a program to print table of a number entered by user using do-while loop. Task number 6 is to write a program that asks the user to enter any character. If the user enters something else than the alphabet or number, the program should terminate. At the end, display the total number of digits, lowercase letters and uppercase letters entered by the user. Here is the sample output. User have entered different characters, and when user entered any punctuation mark, the program terminated, and at the end the total number of lowercase letters, uppercase letters and the digits were displayed. We will perform this task using do-while loop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.